Hutoy kumbana nga belit pi Mentapi shano. Are you really gonna leave me if I just let you go? Hato kloy pi in jubab. I just wanna know.
Joelan, or you're gonna leave, lady? We want to know too.
Why you always acting? Why you being rude? Why you wanna leave me? Back down, I don't know. Why you never listen?
Yo, what's up everyone? Khasi people, Meghallian, peace from Africa. Hope everyone is doing well, guys. So today we are checking Joelan new song by the title Why, guys. So actually this guy have been sick for long days back. So welcome back, brother. Hope you're fit now and hope you will be giving us more hit, guys. So this is his first song after his recovery, guys. So the title is Why Official. Yeah, Why Official music video here. Let's check it out, guys, and don't forget, stay tuned, subscribe, guys, and let's go. La Cabre Joelan, La Cabre song, brother. Let's check this. Hopefully we are going to enjoy.
Hato kloy pi en batay shano baby. Ki jinx my nanga unga ubra bashida.
Okay.
Hutoy kumbana nga belit pi Mentapi shano. Are you really gonna leave me if I just let you go? Hato kloy pi in jubab. I just wanna know.
Joelan, or you're gonna leave, lady? We want to know too.
Why you always acting? Why you being rude? Why you wanna leave me? Back down, I don't know. Why you never listen? Even when I'm trying to show, I'm always gonna say ya pibang abanod. Ya pibang abanod. Tang ya pinga yo I. Pilong tekum kitukil o porba palang kasngi. Balepat kihenen kajeng dai ni. Hutoy kumbana nga mon epi. Mentang aleshano. Wish that you could give me one more chance to prove you wrong. Hato kloy pin island. I just need to know.
Tell him, wait a minute. Wow, guys, I'm really so impressed. I'm so impressed. Then let's first not go deep about the meaning of the music, guys. But I'm just so impressed listening to this guy. I just feel like I'm listening to, hey man, I'm listening to those Western music, guys. I feel like I'm listening to who? Am I listening to Eden Sheeran? How do you call it? Eden Sheeran, guys. Joelan, I just have one question for you, bro. Who, like, okay, for every musician, guys, I'm pretty sure they are inspired by other, like, who is your most favorite, like, when it comes to those musicians, whom do you love the most? Because I feel like you're inspired by Eden Sheeran. Like, I feel it, man. This guy level of music now it's not local. I'm telling you, this is really so nice and so modern. But I will speak about the music at the end, man. The lyric is so touching and so lovely, guys. I think there is something behind this. But whatever it is, I'm just telling you, you girl, why you should leave this boy? I will support that. Let's check more. I feel so good. Start.
Why you always acting? Why you being rude? Why you wanna leave me? Back down, I don't know. Why you never listen? Even when I'm trying to show, I'm always gonna say ya pibang abanod. Hato mo pibang uwi na lang. Ay nakasingit na shisha. Pagkasya na nga naman ya pibang abanod. you never listen, yeah. Even when I try to show that I'm always gonna stay. Why you always acting? Why you being rude?
I will cry for my brother too, man. I hope this thing
Why you never listen? Even when I'm trying to show, I'm always gonna stay.
Maria Pibana Bono. Should I also speak Khasi for you guys so that you will not leave this boy? Na Maria P, don't leave him. I'm telling you, man. Camera, Khraw, coloring, grading, I'm shooting. Wow, what amazing music, guys. This kind of song deserves million views, guys. What is wrong with you Khasi people? What's wrong? Can I understand something? Do you guys want to listen only to Khasi language or what? This song is, this is so big song for me, guys. Just imagine this guy singing this amazing. The sound is just so amazing. I don't know how to, I'm just so speechless. But Joelan, bro, I see a bright future in your music industry. Believe me, bro, you're gonna make it. You already made it, bro. But just keep pushing it. I really love the song, guys. It's so touching, so amazing, so emotional. And I hope, brother, whatever this song, what the song you compose, I hope it is not something which is happening currently, bro. Because if it is real, I'm advising you, lady, also. Now, Maria P, they say, why you gonna leave him? How do you say this? How many times Joelan should tell you, man? This song is so beautiful, man. It's so advising, so touching, so lovely also at the end, but it's so emotional. I feel like someone is in pain, but I hope this is not real. I hope it's just a song to inspire people, but not is what I don't really suggest. Like, I hope this is not happening to Joelan currently. I just feel so good, guys, you know, but at the same time I feel so bad, man, you know. Such amazing song is having less view, guys. You guys should definitely share his song. Don't share my reaction, but share his official music video, guys. This song deserves millions. Share it to a lot of people. It will also create awareness, guys. You know, it is really so hard for a person to fall in love with someone and then suddenly they will leave. That is so painful when someone falls for you and you will act like you are leaving. That is so rude. Why are you acting so rude? Why are you gonna leave him when he's already in love, man? Yeah, marka pia things. And I will speak Khasi for you now so that you understand this. Thank you so much, Joelan, man. You're doing really a great work. I hope one day you will sing for me a song, bro. I really love how you sound, man. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Don't forget subscribe and share my reaction also. But first thing, share this official music video. Thank you. All the best. Love you all. Love from Africa. God bless you.